across tracks that are marked as very illegal. Uh-oh.
And then you're gonna publish it?
Maybe.
That's so bad.
And we're back on trail. Feels good. And look at this. I don't know if you can see this little guy up here or not. We got ourselves a deer. And if I didn't have 20 times zoom, you wouldn't be able to see it all. That's optical zoom. Oh no, it's digital.
Deer. Bunny and deer. Bunny.
A bunny and a deer at the same time.
Bunnies. Oh my god.
And the deer's chasing the bunny. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's so cute. That was adorable.
Oh yeah, I wanted to mention to everybody, it's been brought to my attention in the comments that I sniffle a lot. So I thought I would address that. In the fall, spring and the fall and the winter, I don't at all. So it is allergy season. There's a lot of goldenrod here. And I get very badly affected by it, especially when I'm exerting myself, which already makes me sniffle a little bit. That just kind of adds to it. So I took the comment off to the side, addressed the person that posted it. Thank you for pointing that out. I will try not to do that as much, but can't help it. It's a bodily function. Nice little stretch of trail to start the morning off. Very gross, algae-filled section of water that's set it like just sitting there. It's not moving. That's why the algae's taking it over. It's both good and bad, I guess. And on the other side we've got the Shenandoah River, which is nice. My tramline's dawdling, looking at sights and stuff. But we got over 20 miles. I'm thinking of just booking ahead. Quick note, we're in Maryland now. Not very long, but we are in Maryland. Okay, so we're at this trailhead here. We had to stop because I had a bit of an issue. I left my Pandora bracelet back at the hostel, and and I had just had it delivered to me. So Peak Freak, he drove it over here a couple of miles and brought it to me. So I'm very grateful for that. Big shout out to them. Woohoo! Very happy.
Don't hurt yourself. Oh, sorry.
Go fast. I've never seen a turtle go that fast.
It's okay. He's trying to hide. Like, you think we don't see you?
We don't see him anymore.
Yeah, I don't see him.
Where'd he go?
Where'd he go? Oh,
He went. Or Cabernet. Yeah, I hope I said that right.
I like your trees. And the deer.
Here we go. These are the ruins that I was telling you about. Little archway here. Gotta go through the arch or else it's just not cool. This building's a storehouse. It's probably the only part left of the building. Oh, it's a mausoleum. Okay. Dead people. It's only one problem. The lore of the mausoleum is that it never had a body in it. It was built for that purpose, but it never happened. So this is technically not just ruins, it's a cemetery. As you can see here, they probably had the VIP section in here. Building up there, probably some kind of museum. Public bathroom. Water spigot. There's a shelter over there with picnic tables, benches. Yeah, across the other side of the street there, which is where I want to go. Gathland State Park. That's actually a war monument back from the Civil War. Guess they didn't knock that one down yet. I'll get around to it, I'm sure. The original estate house that was hit by cannons. I'm sure there were a lot of battles here. So, it says here, shelter used by permit only. Yeah, right, whatever. Well, that was very nice. We just got trail magic from a nice gentleman. Came by, and boy, did he have some nice stuff there too. Anyway, I loaded up pretty good and decided to sit here at the picnic table and relax for a little while before we go on. Okay, so we stopped at those ruins, spent about an hour, had a nice meal, sat at a picnic table, had a bathroom with a real toilet in it. That was nice. And we got water, and I think we're gonna go about another 7 and take a break. You don't say dog shit crossing?
Hopefully not.
Whatever those bugs are, I just got bit again. They're bad.
Yeah.
Check this out, y'all. An old building got beat up pretty bad by cannons, by the look of it, in the Civil War. The big one. Okay, we got 4.5 miles of uphill. Big one. This is the big one. That's going to take me well over an hour. So my crew went on ahead. They're faster on the uphills anyways. I'll catch up later. Here's a view. Is that Walmart?
I see it from here.
Me too. So that nice little sun shower just ended, and it's still sunny. And we had a bit of a technical, kind of a rugged downhill there, which really slows you down, you know. You're dodging rocks all the time, and they're sticking up in your feet, and yeah, it's not pleasant, you know. So you don't want to fall. And so, you know, and we've got Pennsylvania coming up, which everybody likes to call Rocksylvania. So there's going to be more of this, at least until we get through there.
We have a little memorial. Let's try that again. We have a little memorial here for Grandmaster. If you guys don't know, he fell off, I don't remember, McAfee Knob this year.
McAfee Knob.
So, and unfortunately he passed away. He was from the Netherlands and very beloved by many thru hikers, and so it's a little memorial for him. So.
Let's take a bit of a break. A little nap. Out here in the field. Doing nothing. Just closing my eyes. Okay, we're done our break. 6.5 miles left to go.
It's Mary. OT? I don't think so. Jesus, New York independence. Boom in 1783. Comes Le President.
Washington Monument, y'all.
Glorious.
How'd that for a view? Not bad, huh? Some very steep stairs
That's too many stairs.
into the monument. We didn't make the best bridge back then. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna lose my lunch. Wow. This is incredible.